Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Skip the Dishes account, right? So it's very easy. You can download the mobile application from Play Store or App Store. But if you are still facing the problem, then there is one solution which I'm going to show you. Just go to any of the browser. For now, I'm just using a Chrome browser. Go to the Google and type Skip the Dishes, right? You will get this official website of Skip the Dishes. Just click on this and you have to just wait for a few seconds till it get verified, right? So yeah, once the connection is secure, so once you open this, this website, you will get the interface like this. You can just enter your address and all that. But here I'm going to show you how to make an account, right? So on the top right side corner, you can just click on this profile icon, right? Here you will get this option of login and sign up. Login is for those who have already have an account, but sign up is for those who just want to make a new account, right? So just click on the sign up, right? And here you will get this two information. Sign up with the Google, sign up with the Facebook account or Apple ID, or sign up with your email, right? So let's say I will just click on sign up with my Google account. I will just use my Google account because that is much more easier to do it, right? So once you do it, maybe you're still facing the problem to sign up from the Google account, then you can do one thing. You can just go here and sign up with the email, right? Once you click on the sign up with your email, you can just add your name. For example, I will just write my name here, right? And I can just enter my email address, the phone number, and the password. And after that, once you click on the create an account, then your account will be created in few seconds, right? So this is how you can make Skip the Dishes account. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.